Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to apply for a Pakistan visa online. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step, so you can have a smooth and stress-free application experience. Step 1. Gather required documents. The first step in applying for a Pakistan visa is to gather all of the required documents. These include a valid passport, a recent passport-sized photograph, and proof of travel plans, such as a flight itinerary or hotel reservation. Step 2. Create an account on the visa application website. Once you have all of the required documents, the next step now is to create an account on the visa application website.